How do you convert metric units of length? Think about this question during the lesson. The most commonly used metric units of length are the kilometer, meter, centimeter, and millimeter. Every metric unit is 10 times as great as the next smaller unit. Which is the smaller metric unit of length, the centimeter or the millimeter? Explain. The millimeter is smaller. 1 meter equals 1,000 millimeters, and 1 meter equals 100 centimeters. So there are more millimeters in a meter. The distance between two towns is 3 kilometers. How many meters apart are they? To change from larger units to smaller units, do you multiply or divide? Select your answer. To change from larger units to smaller units, multiply. How does deciding whether you are changing to larger or smaller units help you recognize whether you should multiply or divide to change measurements? No matter what units are involved, multiply to change a larger unit to a smaller unit, and divide to change a smaller unit to a larger one. 1 kilometer equals 1,000 meters. Find 3 times 10 to the third power. So the towns are 3,000 meters apart. The distance between a kitchen and living room is 1,200 centimeters. How many meters apart are they? To change from smaller units to larger units, divide. Find 1,200 divided by 10 to the second power. So the kitchen and the living room are 12 meters apart. Now you know how to convert metric units of length.
Great job!